Better biking with survival skills.
Many of the hazards we encounter as we ride can be predicted if we just take a look around us and understand what's happening. Here I'm riding through an area of rolling hills, and this sign tells me I'm about to go down a fairly steep one. It's worth asking, what do we find in valleys? A bit further on we pass another steep hill sign, then an illuminated speed advisory sign, and just beyond this yet another sign warns of a tight right hand bend and a junction, and advises me to keep in a low gear. It's pretty clear that the highway engineer is trying to ensure everyone keeps the speed down on this descent. Around the corner the road continues steep downhill, and the next warning is for another bend with a junction, then a stretch of road of restricted width. What could be round the corner? Might it be an old narrow stone bridge, and will the road turn sharply onto it? It might be a good idea to approach cautiously and aim to keep left till I find out. Just as well I didn't fly round that corner.